Whether you're an individual or a small business, filing your tax returns while considering the complex regulations could drive anyone crazy. You want to make sure that you follow all the rules and regulations while planning your taxes in the most efficient way. But due to complex regulations, you need a skilled personnel to execute the job perfectly. If you are in search of a tax return service provider, your search ends here. Introducing eSimon Tax and Multi-Services, an IRS-authorized e-file provider. We are a tax preparer company offering tax return services to individuals and businesses alike. We take great care in calculating the federal, state, and local taxes before filing your tax return. We make sure your business accurately report the annual income, takes correct deductions, and follow all the financial regulations. We use the latest technologies to ensure your information stays private and secure all the times. The best part? We offer free customer support 7 days a week to make your experience as easy and delightful as possible. It doesn't matter where you live in the United States, as we offer our services in all 50 states. Our other services include financial reports, payroll services, bookkeeping, budget analysis. Leave your taxes to us and focus on growing your business or personal income. Contact us now at 772-236-5203 or email us at eSimonTaxServices@gmail.com.